Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Fox River Grove, local and long distance movers near me. We provide you with the help you need to relocate, including the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Getting the best options for your specific needs isn't difficult. When you choose a good local moving company, you get the help you need. Whether you're moving 100 miles away, 1,000 miles, or even further, we can help get to your destination safely and quickly. A shorter local move may still require an Illinois moving company. Sure, it seems easy enough to pack up your entire home or business and move it. It's a lot of work. However, you might not have the time or energy to do it. Maybe you simply don't want to do all the heavy lifting. You will need to move everything you own, and it can be a very big job. Hiring the help of 3 movers means you save time and energy. We streamline the process and help you get to your new location sooner. You don't have to do any of the hard work either. Our team gets you moved in just a few hours, even if it's a larger move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fox River Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.